exercise 9.3, in which we have to discuss formation of differential equation whose general equation is given. What we have to study? Formation of differential equation. Formation of differential equation whose general equation is given. So first we'll discuss what is this formation of differential equation when general equation is given. What is the meaning of this statement? For that, first we'll discuss one example. For example, if we are given one equation of circle with center at origin and with radius r. So equation of circle, or you can say general equation of circle. No, we have to derive differential equation of the curve whose general equation is given. So here I am writing the general equation of circle. General equation of circle with center at origin and radius r. So equation is x square plus y square equal to r square. Done. This is general equation. So this general equation, what is the meaning of this equation? So meaning of this equation is, this is the equation of circle with center at origin with radius r, where r is one arbitrary constant. What is r? R is nothing but the arbitrary constant. And all of you know what is arbitrary constant. Arbitrary constant is the constant which can take different values. Though it is the constant, but for the different cases, our constant can take the different values. For example, if we try to draw the diagram of this equation, so we will get one circle at origin. This general equation will represent the family of curve. It will represent one family of curve. Which curve? Family of circle with center at origin. That means it represents the concentric circles. Circle remains, the center of circle remains constant, but it may take the different value of r. If you are taking r equal to 1 radius, then it will give one circle. Now, if we take different value of r, another value of r, then it will give some another circle. For example, if you are taking r equal to 2, so it will give one another circle with same center. Done. So for different values of r, we are getting the different circles. So this is general equation, and general equation consists of arbitrary constant, and this general equation of any curve will give only one curve at a time for different values of r. Done. So now what we require? We require differential equation. We will derive one differential equation. So that differential equation will represent all the curves at a time. This general equation represents only one curve at a time. This type of equation represents only one curve at a time. एक टाइम पर सिर्फ एक ही कर्व रिप्रेजेंट करता है ना, x square plus y square equal to r square. This is the equation of family of curve, but at an instant you have to put the value of radius r. So if you are taking r is equal to 1, it will represent only one circle. If you take r equal to 2, it will represent another circle. So this type of general equation will represent only one curve at a time. And now we require to find the equation of this curve which represent all the circles at a time. एक ही इक्वेशन में वो है ना पूरे सर्कल्स को रिप्रेजेंट करें. So for that we require differential equation of this general equation. So how can we derive differential equation of this general equation? So we will start with this given general equation, which is x square plus y square equal to r square. Here I said that this curve represent only one curve at a time because it consists of arbitrary constant. ये equation के अंदर एक arbitrary constant है ना. ये जो आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट प्रेजेंट है उसकी इफेक्ट क्या आ रही है, क्योंकि हमें आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट प्रेजेंट है तो हर एक पॉइंट पर हमें आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट की डिफरेंट वैल्यू पुट करनी पड़ती है. सो फॉर डिफरेंट वैल्यूज ऑफ r we are getting the different values or different curves. So if we eliminate this arbitrary constant, then we'll get one differential equation. So that differential equation will represent family of circles at a time, all the circles at a time. Done. So here, to obtain the differential equation, we have to differentiate this equation on both sides with respect to x. So now differentiate on both sides with respect to x. Differentiate on both sides with respect to x. So what we are getting? We are getting 2x plus 2y dy by dx equal to 0. So here we can say that our arbitrary constant is eliminated. So simplification of this one is dy by dx, 2 common remove कर दिया, x will go into the right hand side which is minus x, and this y comes into division. So dy by dx equal to minus x minus dy by dx equal to minus x by y. Done. So now this is one differential equation. So this differential equation represents the family of all the circles, family of all the concentric circles whose center is at origin. Done. So this will represent family of concentric circles, family of concentric circles whose origin is at सेंटर. सो ये इक्वेशन है वो पूरे सारे सर्कल के लिए गया, और ये जो इक्वेशन था वो एट अ टाइम एक ही सर्कल के लिए था. डन. सो दिस इज हाउ वी कैन obtain this differential equation of any given general equation. Here number of arbitrary constants are 1, only one arbitrary constant is there, and therefore to eliminate this arbitrary constant we have to apply only first order derivative. If the general equation of any curve consists of two arbitrary constants, then we require second order derivative also. Done. So order of this differential equation, there will be equal to number of arbitrary constants in the जनरल इक्वेशन. दिस इज द इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है ना, ये आपको याद रखना है. क्या याद रखना है? ऑर्डर ऑफ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इज इक्वल टू number of arbitrary constants in general equation. Here in the general equation of circle, only one arbitrary constant is there, so differential equation consists of only first order derivative. Clear? इतना समझ में आया? Let's consider one more example. Suppose we have to obtain differential equation of family of ellipse. We have to obtain differential equation representing the family of ellipse whose center is at origin and focus is on x-axis. Obtain the differential equation of family of ellipse whose center is at origin. Ellipse is given whose center is at origin and focus on x-axis. Done. Question is formation of differential equation. किसका equation form करना है? Family of ellipse. कौन सा ellipse? whose center is at origin and focus along with the x-axis. So here equation of such ellipse is, हमने स्टडी कर लिया है ellipse. डन. ऐसे आएगा, center is at origin and focus on the x-axis. So this will be our semi-major axis A and this will be B. So here general equation of ellipse क्या होगा? General equation of an ellipse, major axis along with the x-axis, so it will be x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. This is general equation. Here a and b are arbitrary constants, so here number of arbitrary constants are 2, है ना, दो arbitrary constant है. देखो ये जनरल इक्वेशन है, यहाँ पर हम a और b की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे तो हमें एक एक ऐसे ग्राफ मिलेगा, है ना, फॉर वन वैल्यू ऑफ one value of a and b, we are getting one ellipse. For different value of a and b, we are getting the different ellipse. So here we require one differential equation. So common equation which represent all ellipse at a time. So here we have to differentiate on both sides with respect to x. So first step, differentiate on both sides with respect to x. So a square is constant, so it's a 2x upon a square plus 2y upon b square equal to 0. Done? So here number of arbitrary constants are 2, and we have to differentiate this equation 2 times, and we have to differentiate the equation in a such a way that we can eliminate all these arbitrary constants in a we can see in 2 tries. Now after getting first order derivative and second order derivative over both arbitrary constants must be eliminated. डन. हमें इसका देखो, इसके इक्वेशन के अंदर हमारे पास दो आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट है और हमें इसके लिए दो बार डिफरेंशिएट करना पड़ेगा. सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव इसका जो है वो इसका डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन आएगा, डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन विथ ऑर्डर 2 बिकॉज नंबर ऑफ आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट्स आर 2. डन. तो इसका जो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है वो सेकंड ऑर्डर का होगा और सेकंड ऑर्डर का डिफरेंशिएट ऐसे हमें डिफाइन करना है, ऐसे डिराइव करना है कि ये जो दोनों आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट है ना वो एलिमिनेट हो जाए, ये सब इसके इक्वेशन से रिमूव हो जाए. उस प्रकार से आपको इसको डिफरेंशिएट करना है. डन. डायरेक्ट डिफरेंशिएट करते नहीं रहना है. सो हियर फर्स्ट वी विल सिंप्लीफाई इट and taking this both arbitrary constants on the right hand side and then we'll take the second order derivative. अगर यहाँ पर सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव आप डायरेक्ट ले लेंगे तो ये आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट रिमूव नहीं होने वाले हैं. आपको डिफरेंशिएशन ऐसे करना है कि ये दोनों आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट्स रिमूव हो जाए. तो उसके लिए मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसको पहले सिंप्लीफाई करना पड़ेगा. सो हियर वी कैन टेक 2 कॉमन. सो इट्स यहाँ पर dy by dx रहेगा. डन. सो हियर we can take this 2 common and taking this x upon a square on the right hand side. So remaining terms are y by b square dy by dx equal to, ये सामने जाएगा, माइनस x upon a square. अगेन ये b square को ऊपर ले लो, x को यहाँ पर नीचे ले लो. So it will be y by x dy by dx equal to, ये b square को सामने ऊपर, so it's a minus b square upon a square. Done. Say this one as equation number 1. Now after simplification of this we can say that this is the constant term. So now again if we take the differentiation on both sides, this term will be eliminated. So we are having only x and y. Done. So now take second order derivative. So what is the second order derivative of this? Product rule, dy by dx. So u into v, u as it is, differentiation of v, which is d square y by dx square, plus v as it is, dy by dx, differentiation of this y by x, differentiation of y by x equal to 0. So this is second order derivative, which is differential equation of family of ellipse whose center is at origin and axis lies on the x-axis. Clear? The order of this differential equation is 2 because number of arbitrary constants are 2. Done. So this is how you can derive the differential equation of any family of curve. इसमें किसी को कोई डाउट? Suppose family of parabola. Obtain the differential equation for the family of parabola. We have to obtain the differential equation for the family of parabola. Which parabola? Whose vertex at origin and axis along with the positive direction of x-axis. Axis along with the positive direction of x-axis. For this family of parabola, we have to obtain differential equation. So what is the graph? vertex as origin and axis along with the positive direction of x-axis. Rightward parabola is there. So this is the graph. Rightward parabola. Done. For the rightward parabola, for positive negative value of y-axis, for positive negative value of y, or x is positive. So equation is y square equal to 4ax is the general equation of this parabola. Here, equation of parabola is y square equal to 4x. Here number of arbitrary constants are 1. So we get one first order derivative differential equation for this family of parabola. So by using differentiation, we have to eliminate this constant a. So for that, I will take this x into denominator of this y square. So it's a y square upon x equal to 4a. And now I will take differentiation on both sides. Take differentiation on both sides with respect to x. So taking differentiation on both sides with respect to x, this constant term will be eliminated. So differentiation is division rule, x as it is, differentiation of numerator 2y dy by dx minus numerator as it is, differentiation of x 1 whole divided by x square equal to 0. Done. X square को multiply करो, so it's a 2xy dy by dx minus y square equal to 0 is the first order derivative, or we can say first order differential equation of the family of parabola. Done. So this is how you can obtain the differential equation for any given curve. So now we will start exercise 9.8.